Good morning, students. I am your new English teacher. My name is Bhupinder Singh, and today we will start with alphabetical order. The material of our study is going to be alphabetical order. First of all, we should know the meaning of alphabetical order. Alphabets, as we know, are the main basic thing of any language. Without alphabets, no language can be written or spoken. So, the way we are going to study now, I have given line number 1 and I have written A, B, C, D, E, F up to X, Y, Z. These are 3 lines, and in these 3 lines I have written these capital letters. They are called alphabetical order. ये alphabetical order इसलिए हैं क्योंकि कुदरती ये ऐसे ही लिखे जाते हैं. कैसे? A, B, C, D, E और आखिरी तक लास्ट वर्ड्स कौन से हैं? X, Y, Z. इसका मतलब कि जैसे कुदरती वर्ड्स लिखे जाते हैं सिस्टम से, उसको हम कहते हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. अब हम देखते हैं, नाउ वी विल सी व्हाई इज़ अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इम्पोर्टेंट. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट इन मैनी वेज. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वे इज़ दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड, if we have to find a word in the dictionary, then we will have to use this alphabetical order. इस alphabetical order से ही जो डिक्शनरी में वर्ड्स हैं वो ढूंढे जाते हैं. जैसे लाइन 1 में A, B, C, H तक है, लाइन 2 में I, J, K, P तक है, और लाइन 3 में ये मैंने दे रखा है Q, R, S लाइन X, Y, Z तक है. इन तीनों लाइन में जो वर्ड लिखे हैं ये अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर है. नाउ वी विल स्टडी हाउ दिस अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर इज़ यूज्ड. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर को हम या कैसे काम में लेते हैं. आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. एंड दिस एग्जाम्पल इज़ रिटन इन लाइन नंबर 4. द लाइन नंबर 4 says that the words I have given are pen, board, chalk, book and table. These are items that are used in the classroom. In your classroom also you have got all these 5 items. Now these I have written in line number 4. They are written in a normal manner. That means they are not in a alphabetical order, because that is our subject of study. Now we will come down to our way of putting these words in a alphabetical order. How will we do? First of all, we will see pen starts with a P, board starts with a B, chalk starts with a C, book starts with a B, and table starts with a T. Now all these words are written in capital letters. From these words we have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order means that in these words the first letter should be that one which comes first in the alphabetical order. For example, pen. Pen starts with P. Now pen is P is not in the beginning, it is in the second line. You will see it is in the second line and it is the last word. This is P. So this is not required. Similarly, we see the letter in this line which comes first. In this line, the letter that comes first is, because there is no A, no word with A. Now there is one word with B, board. There is one word again with B, book. See here. These two words are there. Out of these two words, we will see which word we should write first. Now there is again a problem. Both these words start with B. We don't know which word we should write first. For this, we will have to see the second word. The second word in board is O, and the second word in book is also O. That means that the second word is also the same. The problem remains the same. हमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि हम कौन सा वर्ड लिखें, क्योंकि पहले दोनों शब्द इसके बराबर हैं. इसलिए हम चलते हैं थर्ड शब्द पे. सी, थर्ड वर्ड इज इन बोर्ड इज ए. In book, the third word is see O. Now we will see which comes first, A or O. Which word comes first in the alphabetical order. Here it is clear that A comes before O. That means board will be written first and book will be written later on. This I have done in line 5. See, board is written first, book is written second. Now two words have been done. Now next word we will find which are left are pen, chalk and table. See on line number 4. These three words are left. In these three words we will see which word comes first out of these three. Chalk starts with C, pen starts with B and table starts with T. So out of these three words, C comes first. So our next word is, at the third place is chalk. So we have used the first three words according to the alphabetical order. Now two words are left, table and pen. Pen starts with P, table starts with T. So in the alphabetical order, we come here in the alphabetical order, line number 2, pen. Pen starts with P. Here is P. And table starts with T. T is here. Pen comes, P comes before T. Therefore, we will have to put P, the word with P in the fourth place. And the word with P is pen. So pen will come in the fourth place over here. See, here it is, line number 5. Fourth word is pen. And then last word is table is left. This word will come in the end. That is table. Now these words, see line number 5. I have marked. मैंने line number 5 लिखी है. इसके आगे अब जो words आए हैं ये according to alphabetical order हैं. Board, book, chalk, pen and table. This is called alphabetical order. This can be found in the dictionary also according to how they are written in line number 5. Now I will give you one more example. This example is more simple. It is given in line number 6. This example contains only 4 words. They are animals. The words are lion, cat, dog and elephant. Now in this we have to see as to which word will come first according to the alphabetical order. Lion is with L, cat C, D, dog and E, elephant. We go again to our line number 1, 2 and 3 in alphabetical order at the top. Here we see that C is the word that should come first, because here is C. It is only third, A, B, C. इसलिए C सबसे पहले आएगा और उसके बाद कौन सा आएगा? न L आएगा, न D आएगा, न E आएगा, E नहीं आएगा, लेकिन D आएगा. D किस लिए आएगा? क्योंकि C के बाद यहाँ D है. D is the fourth letter. So after C we will get D. So the word with D is dog. And in the line number 7 we have written at the second place dog. Line number 7 is the arrangement of line number 6 in alphabetical order. Now only two words are left. Which one? Elephant and lion. See, here is lion. Lion and elephant. Lion begins with L. Elephant begins with E. Of these two words, we have to find out which comes first in our alphabetical order. Again, go back to line number 1, 2 and 3. In this we will see that the word elephant and lion are given, E is given here and lion is given later on. That means elephant will come at number 3 here. At number 3 we have elephant. And now the last word left is lion. So lion will come at position number 3. So this is how we arrange our words according to alphabetical order. Now, what is the use of alphabetical order? The use of alphabetical order is in making a dictionary. Dictionary is a very big book. It is a very systematic book. In this book, the words are arranged so that their meaning can be found. If they are not arranged in alphabetical order, then there is no chance of finding a word. We can find a word only because they are arranged in alphabetical order. This was, students, the importance of alphabetical order. Now our chapter on alphabetical order is finished. We will start a new chapter.